Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all gestures on the touchpad of the Samsung DeX mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. There are quite a lot of gestures that can let you use your device in a faster way, like for example, of course, the right click and stuff like that, but let me just explain from the beginning. So if you want to select objects, open apps or activate buttons and more, just tap on the touchpad and it'll click, right? Now if you tap with two buttons, it will be a so-called right click, which will show more options menu. You can see when I right click on the settings, I can remove it, I can select it, I can go to, like, for example, some other apps. Let's say the 3D Mark, I can uninstall it, and that's how it works. Now the next one will be swiping with two fingers, and that's especially in websites, but anywhere else, honestly. Swiping with two fingers like that scrolls. And also if I zoom in by pinching out like that or pinching in to zoom out, if I zoom in, I can also use two fingers to swipe left and right, not only up and down. So this is how it is for scrolling. Now let's go to the next one. Pinching I've already explained, then touch and hold to select objects. You see, now I'm holding it and I can actually move it somewhere. So if you want to, for example, move your calculator up, touch and hold, then start moving it around. I'll show you how I'm doing it. So I'll close this here. Let's touch and hold, then start moving it around. That's how you drag items. Now let's go to the next one, which will be selecting text. So if I go again to, like, maybe let's go to notes this time, open a note. If you want to select text, touch and hold at the beginning of the selection, then start dragging it. And you can see this is how it works. So you'll need to just select it at the first letter by holding. Then it selects the first word, second word, third word, and so on. So this is how it is here. Now time for the next one, which will be back. Going back, if you want to go back, for example here, within notes, just tap with three fingers and it goes back. That's really great. Now there's also a really cool gesture for opening the apps screen right here. Just tap with four fingers. You can see it opens apps. That's really great. Swiping up with three fingers lets you see all the recently opened windows. So for example, if I open my files, if I open it maybe twice even, the calendar, the gallery, if I minimize it all so I don't see them, now I can swipe up with three fingers and see all the windows. I can also close all of them. And it's equal to clicking on this button in the bottom left corner. Now it's time for the other gesture, which is even cooler, I think. It's swiping left or right with three fingers. You can see I don't have any running apps right now, but if I actually open the calendar, my files, gallery, then if I want to swipe between those, just put three fingers on the touchpad and start swiping left or right. You'll see the selection at the top. You can select which one to open actually. I will select calendar and it'll bring it to the front. Now I'm in the calendar. If I do it again, I can switch to the files now, or maybe to the gallery actually. And these are all the gestures here. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.